just hear me out for a moment. I had this thought. If you think about it, that national anthems are really country music. Hey, how's it going? It's Martin Ross, and today we are going to be breaking down Jade, Don't Walk Away. It was sampled from Kool and the Gang's Jungle Jazz. The drum loop was, but I'll be using my Zource sound library to make that drum loop. If you're interested, sample packs of Zource, links are in the description, check it out. Also, leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so that way when I upload, it goes straight to your device. And most important, hit that share button so we can grow this, whatever I'm building. All these remakes and music or whatnot. So, without further ado, let's cut to the chase. Let's break it down. First up, we have the chords. We got 3 chords. We've got a B chord, and that's going to be looks like a B, D sharp, F sharp, and an A sharp. The next chord is A sharp, C sharp, F, and a G sharp. Finally, it's some kind of diminished chord, which is a C sharp. E looks like that's a G and an A sharp. All right, now I do have them stacked, so that way it gives it more of that pad/key feel. So let's hear what that sounds like. Okay, moving on to that low piano sample. I'm actually just using octave jumps, so looks like D sharp. And that's going to kind of bring out those keys. So I'm going to play that all together so you can hear that. All right, so there you have that. All right, so those sample plucks, that synth that we got there, it's just, looks like it's A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, F, and a C sharp, and then we'll end, I think, on a D sharp. So let's hear what that sounds like. All right, we're gonna end on a F sharp. I was close. Moving on. Okay, so moving on to the lead synth, I'm just accenting those same notes with a glissando, so kind of make it like glide. So let's hear what that sounds like. Again, if you are liking this video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Tell me what's going on in your head as you're watching me build this song together. And if you have any input on what you want to hear further, just let me know. If you're liking the video, hit that like button. All right, so let's talk about the bass. All right, so the bass is pretty basic. Basic. The notes that we're using is D sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp, and G sharp. And it's pretty much those notes right there. So let's hear what it sounds like played back. And we loop that over and over. All right, so the last part before we get to the drums is just a Vox sample. It replaced that splash sample. I wanted something more up-to-date vibe. So here's what that sample is. All right, everybody's favorite part and the most iconic part of this is the sample. So I got a kick, 2 claps. Those are layered, right? Then I have my tambourines. I have my closed hi-hat, open hi-hat, and that cowbell. Let's hear what it sounds like. I like that. So now we've gotten this far. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below or hit that like button. Or while you're in this vibe, just let me know what you think. Or share this to somebody you think might want to use this. So let's put this all together and hear what it sounds like. So as we're listening to this, you can hear how that piano is kind of pushing those chords, make that feel there. We got our drums coming in. All right, we got that plus I was talking about that goes with the hook. So we got everything coming in. We got our bass, we got that lead. You're gonna hear that sample, right? All right, and this would be the verse part right here. Got that almost New Jack Swing type of bouncy bass going on in there. Remember, New Jack Swing was hitting around this time. And back to the hook. Okay, and there we have it. We broke down Jade, Don't Walk Away. It was originally, the drums were originally sampled from Kool and the Gang, Jungle Jazz. So if you've gotten this far, you know the deal. If you like these samples, the links are in the description. Also, please leave a like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, hit that subscribe button. We're here. Hit that subscribe button. It ain't gonna change anything. You've gotten this far. It's just gonna alert you when you click that bell right to your device when I upload. Also, hey, if you like the video and you know someone that may like the video, share it, please, so that way we can grow this thing that I got going on. Also, just letting you know I am working on a subscriber platform. I will lay out the details. It should be happening in February, but in a few weeks coming up, I'll lay out the details, what we're going to do to help me continue to support this channel. Again, all that support from buying my music to buying my sample pack has really helped me out, and I want to continue to keep growing my channel. And I thank you all for your patience throughout the breaks that I've been taking. It's not easy. It's really not easy to do that, but thank you so much for watching. This is Martin Ross breaking down Jade's Don't Walk Away. Y'all take care.